Hi everyone, today we're talking about how you can create individual development plans for your employees right inside Microsoft Teams with custom AI-generated development goals for each employee. Now, we all know that Microsoft Teams doesn't have these features built in, so we'll be using Teamflect, an all-in-one performance management app designed specifically for Microsoft Teams. You can simply head over to the Teams App Store and look for Teamflect, or just click the link in the description and try Teamflect for free. We'll go through a performance review created inside Microsoft Teams with Teamflect and then create an individual development plan for the employee together. So let's dive right in. Here we are, we're using Teamflect's reviews module, and as you can see, we're inside Janet's performance review. And Janet has not been doing very well with her goals in this review period. Her first goal is at a 45% and the second goal is at a 30%. And we can see that Janet's manager, Benny, hasn't given her the best rating. If we scroll down, we can see all the other factors that will be effective in the individual development plan. We can see that in terms of job performance, Janet has filled out her self-evaluation and her manager has given her some constructive criticism. And if we scroll down, we can see the manager's rating for the overall review, as well as the 360-degree feedback section for Janet, where her colleague Hakan gave her some feedback. And once again, we can see that Janet has received some constructive criticism. Now, let's scroll all the way down. We can see that in terms of review results, she hasn't received the best score in terms of leadership. The goal progress section comes automatically with her goals. In terms of quality of work, she's received a 2.5, and communication, she's got a 3. Now, right here, we have the development plan section. The whole reason we're here. We have two options. We can either manually create development goals for Janet, or get AI-generated goal suggestions, and let's do just that. Once we click here, the AI built into Teamflect's reviews module will suggest development goals for Janet. And these goals are not suggested randomly. The AI analyzes all the feedback Janet received from their manager, as well as the 360-degree feedback section, as well as her performance in the goals section to come up with these development goal suggestions. Let's examine one of them. We can see that one of the goals is improve leadership skills, and as you can see, this is a self-development goal. It has a description, and the AI already determined how this goal will be measured, and all we need to do is click Create. Once we do that, we can see that this particular goal is now a part of her development plan. Let's look at another one of these development goals. This time, let's take a look at the goal Improve Quality of Work. We can see that this is an individual goal. Its title and description are ready to go. We can change things like how the progress will be measured. And once again, we're going to click Create and see that this goal shows up in the development plan as well. Once we are satisfied with the development plan, we can simply scroll down and click Finalize to finalize the review. And that is how you can create an individual development plan for your employees inside Microsoft Teams. But that about brings us to the end of this video. What did you think? Are you ready to create development goals with AI? Just let me know in the comments. Guys, we release helpful Microsoft Teams content like this one every single week. Subscribe so you don't miss any of them. And if you want to give Teamflect a try, you can always click the link in the description. Bye-bye.